Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to update Anbernic RG35XX. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So to step to update the Anbernic RG35XX firmware. First of all, download the firmware. Like visit the Anbernic official website. Here you can see this is the Anbernic official website. To locate the latest firmware for your Anbernic RG35 model and download from here. Okay, like it will take some time to open, and you have to enter your email, and after entering your email you can check out your email, and after that you can go to here shop, and once this open you have to download and get from the okay and extract the firmware file. Use the file extraction tool like 7-zip to extract the download firmware file. This will typically result in the .amg and .bin file. Okay, and then prepare for the micro SD card. Insert the compatible micro SD card into your computers using a card reader format the micro SD card to FAT32 file system to ensure compatibility. Flash the firmware onto the micro SD card. Download and install to like Balancer on your computer. Open the Balancer and select extract firmware file. Choose the micro SD card as the target drive and start the flashing process. Okay, and then insert the micro SD card into your Anbernic RG35XX. Safely eject the micro SD card from your computer once the flashing process is complete. Insert the micro SD card into the appropriate slot on your Anbernic RG35XX device. Initiate the firmware update. Power on your Anbernic 35XX device. The device should automatically detect the firmware on the micro SD card and prompt to your update. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the firmware update process, and then verify the update. Once the update is finished, check the system setting on your Anbernic RG35XX to confirm that the firmware has been successfully updated to the latest version. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.